Hi guys, I'm back. This is Susan, and tonight I'm going to make this evening we're going to make a salmon for our dinner, and this is really fast. I'm just gonna show you this salmon. We got it in the local boat, and it's a Chinook salmon. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to put first. Just sprinkle this soy sauce, and then I will bake this first. And then this is garlic powder, and then cracked pepper. I'm going to bake this for like 15 minutes, or I'll tell you when it's cooked, a little bit cooked, because I'm going to put something on the top, a sauce. Okay, I bake it for 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna leave that there. I'll come back in a few minutes. Hi guys, I'm back, and now I'm removing the salmon. It's already like almost cooked. You can tell on the side. Can you focus on the side? There's no raw on the side, so you can't see any raw. So now I have to remove it and make a sauce and put it on the top. I think it just cooked for 10 minutes. I cooked that for 10 minutes. And it depends on how big is your salmon. So remember, the side you will see raw here if it is not cooked yet. Now it's already cooked, so I'm going to make the sauce on the top. This is honey mustard. Okay, you can measure, you can try it on how much you want to put some mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise. Okay, and then I'm going to mix them. Oh, I need a lemon. I'm gonna get a lemon. I'm just gonna use the one in the bottle. You can use the fresh one too. I have to put a little squirt of lemon on this. There. And then mixed it. And then I will add a little cayenne for kick there. And then this one is later on. And then the dill. I'll put a little dill. Okay. And then mix it. Now I'm going to try if the mustard is enough, because that's honey mustard. Okay, that's good. Now I'll put it on top. And then bake some more for like few minutes until it gets brown on the top. Oops. Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay. Now I'll put it back open. Sorry. Just so tasty. Oh, I'll put the paprika. Oh, that's cayenne. Paprika on top. Okay? Like this. Or you can put the paprika after it cooks. I'll have to put it back until it gets brown on the top. Okay, now I'm going to prepare my side dish. This is my steamer. Oops, sorry. This is our side dish. I'll put it on my steamer. And cauliflower. This is a very quick dinner. Okay. Now I'll turn this on. I'll put it on 30 minutes, but it's not really 30 minutes and it's cooked already. Okay, I'll see you later, guys. Hi guys, I'm back. The salmon is ready and the steamed veggies are ready. By the way, the steamed vegetables, I got it from the local market here. Ooh, this is so good. Look at that. Can you focus it? See? This is brown and it's already brown on the top now. So that's cooked because when I remove it at first time, it's already been cooked, the salmon. So you gotta have to try this, guys. This is so good. Okay. I will give this to. I am supporting my. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. And the skin is actually, I have the skin on this one. Okay. I'm going to try this. Ooh, juicy. Oops. Ooh, look at that, guys. You have to try this. Look at that. It's juicy. Oh, sorry, I'm talking while I'm... Okay, this is our dinner, guys. Please, I support our local fishermen. This is where I got my salmon Chinook and my veggies here, local market. Okay, so we're trying to eat healthy. Okay, guys, bye. I hope you try this salmon. It's really good. Bye.